Hey everyone, Ryan here, Customer Care Coordinator with Rinaldi Homes. It's getting cold outside, and here's one tip to help you get ready for the winter. When water freezes, it expands. And today, I'm going to show you how to winterize your exterior hose bib. Now to complete this, you're going to need a couple things. First thing you're going to need is a ladder. Next thing you're going to need is to find out where the location is of the shutoff. For ours, it's located underneath the panel in the basement or in an unfinished basement in the rafters above. Once you remove the panel, you're going to need to locate the shutoff and turn it off. Next step is to find the location of the exterior hose bib. Once there, you want to open up the tap to release any water in the lines, as well as remove the vacuum breaker and dump the little bit that always ends up inside of there. Now we're going to head back to where we shut off the water from the inside. There, located just under the knob, you'll see a small bleed valve. You need to release that bleed valve, and if there is any water inside, it will come out. And then reattach the vacuum breaker for the closure. This is a small tip, but it will make a big difference come spring. As Customer Care Coordinator for Rinaldi Homes, I'm happy to share this with you and much more. Stay tuned.